3:37.
Does anybody want to say a few words?
Sure. Ahem. Mustard, umbrella, Borborygmus. That was beautiful, Wacko.
That puppy food over there is making my tummy hungry.
Chicken sandwich. Oh no. Not puppy sandwich. Yes, you are.
Dang it. My tummy is rumbling.
Uh-oh. You said your stomach is not going to help?
Yes, my foot. Nathan, just listen to my belly. GRR. Freaking heck. My stomach needs food. Oh, what do I do with my stomach is rumbling?
GRR. Dang. My tummy's getting hungry.
Oh my.
It's no good. I can't get to sleep. Oops. I'm really hungry.
Man, my stomach growls so much. I better get some food.
Oh, someone's hungry. I'll go find berries that are safe to eat. I'd hate for you to starve right after I saved your life.